Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you exactly how to change the Gantt chart colors in Smartsheet step by step. If you've ever found yourself wishing those default bars could be a little more vibrant or better organized, you're in the right place. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know how to customize your chart colors to make your Smartsheet project truly your own, whether you want to highlight key tasks or just add a bit of personality to your schedule. Let's jump right in. First, you'll want to open up your Gantt chart in Smartsheet. Make sure you're looking at the project you want to update. It's easy to get lost if you have several sheets open, so double-check at the top of the screen that you're in the right place. Smartsheet's interface is generally pretty intuitive, but sometimes our eyes can glaze over with lots of charts and details, so selecting the exact Gantt chart is a helpful first step. Now take a look at the bars displayed in your Gantt chart. Each bar represents a specific task or project phase. Think of them like bookmarks holding the timeline of your project together. To begin customizing, you'll need to click on one of these bars. Go ahead and left-click directly on any bar that you want to change. You'll see that the bar becomes highlighted, letting you know you've selected it correctly. Next, with your bar selected, you'll want to right-click on it. This might feel a little bit awkward if you're used to left-clicking for everything, but right-clicking here opens up a handy menu of additional options. No worries if you accidentally deselect the bar, just click it again and try right-clicking once more. This step is key because it unlocks the customization features you need. From the menu that pops up, look for the option called Color Settings, or it might sometimes simply say Color. Give that a click. What's happening here is Smartsheet is letting you tap into its color palette, so you're not limited to the default blue. You'll be presented with a variety of color options. Maybe you want a color code based on priority, type of work, or simply your favorite colors. Take a moment to think about the color scheme that works best for visualizing your project at a glance. Now for the fun part, just pick a color, click on your chosen shade. The Gantt bar will instantly update with your new selection. If you've ever color-coded notes in school or highlighted sections in a book, you'll know that a strategic splash of color can make all the difference in quickly finding what's important. And that's it, you've successfully changed the color of a Gantt chart bar in Smartsheet. It really is that straightforward. You can repeat these steps for as many bars as you'd like, customizing your entire chart one task at a time. Don't worry if your first choice doesn't look perfect. You can switch colors as many times as you want until your timeline looks just right. If you found this walkthrough helpful, go ahead and give it a like. If you have any questions, or if you want to share how you use color in your own projects, drop a comment below. I'd love to hear from you. And of course, don't forget to subscribe for more easy Smartsheet tutorials and project management tips. Thanks for watching and happy color coding.